section of the Pensions and Gratuity Division.
Sige, what can you tell this committee about Major Carillo? Because he was invited for today's committee hearing, but he did not attend.
According, sir, to the issued General Order Number NHQG or CPO 2020-820, Police Major Baltasar Kimson Carillo from Pro 11 is effectively posthumously retired effective December 19, 2019 po, sir.
Okay, sige.
He died in the inactive service po, sir.
Okay, sige. Thank you. So, the information is well taken. So, you may proceed, Congressman Gutierrez.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I guess that would explain why no letter was received by this committee. It's unfortunate po, no? Because he would be our only lead to the question of what happened, what truly happened